Let's go. I got alerted again because they're just gonna leave me here.
So you're gonna leave him in the car when we go to Costco?
Yeah, that would be better because there's a sunshine outside and I want to be nosy. I want to look at people outside there, Daddy. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, Mommy's right. I want to stay in the car. He's like, that I got you guys. Was that good enough? Can I go now? Can I go now? I'll stay at Costco.
He wants mommy.
He's sitting right there like a baby.
Oh, get your phone down.